Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can wipe code completely for free inside VS Code. So first of all, you need to open your VS Code. After that, what you need to do is that you need to go to the extension option. So here you can see extension option. So I'm going to click on this icon and I'm going to search over here open code. So once you search for OpenCode, here you can see OpenCode for VS Code. And here you can see it has around 692k download. So we need to click here. And here you can see make sure it is written over here SST. So right now I'm going to click on install. Then I'm going to click here trust publisher and install. So it will start installing OpenCode. So here you can see installation is done. So right now we can close this. And right now here you can see terminal. So I'm going to click on terminal, then click here new terminal. So it will open a terminal over here. So here in the terminal we are going to give this command OpenCode auth login, then press enter. And here it will show you multiple options to login. So we are going to log in using OpenCode Zen, and this is the recommended. So we are going to press enter. And here you can see enter your API key. So we need to go to this address opencode.ai/auth and we need to get the API key from there. So let me just go to any browser and I'm going to paste the link here opencode.ai/auth, then press enter. And I'm going to continue with Google. I'll just choose my email address, then click here continue. And there you can see we have a API key over here. So you can copy the API key and here you can see a lot of model. If you want, you can enable or disable any model that you want like this. You just need to click on that. Okay. So let me just copy the API key. Then I'll go back to my Visual Studio Code and paste it over here. Then press enter. And there you can see it's done. So right now, if you want to check the available model, you can say over here open code models and press enter. It will show you all the available model over here. Okay. So here what you can do is that, okay, let me just clear this CLS, press enter. So here if we just say open code and press enter, it will open the OpenCode interface like this in the terminal. So if you want, you can give a prompt and press enter, it will start building your project. So let me just close this and let me just create a folder. So I'm going to click on file, then click here open folder, and here I'll create a new folder. Let's say the folder name will be VS Vibe Code. So I'll select this folder, then click here select folder. So I need to trash the folder. So here you can see this folder is opened over here. So right now what I'm going to do is that, let me just close this and close this as well. So here if I just press on Ctrl Shift and P, it will open a search option like this. So here I'm going to search for open code, and here you can see open code. So if I just directly click here, it will open the OpenCode CLI over here automatically, and there you can see. So let me just explain a little bit. So right now if I click on tab, it will go to the plan mode. It means if I just give a simple prompt over here and press enter, it will make a plan for that prompt. And if we are in the build mode, it means if we just give a prompt, it will automatically start building the project. Okay. So here you can see big pickle. If I just say over here slash models and press enter, it will show you all the available free models over here. And you'll also see a few paid model as well. Okay. So for free model, big pickle is the best. After that, you can choose DeepSeek. Okay. So I'll keep the big pickle model. So we are going to say over here, build me a real estate website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So we are just going to build a simple website. So if I now just click on plan, it will go to the plan mode and make a plan for the prompt. So I'll just press enter. First of all, we are going to generate a plan, and the plan creation is complete. It only took 11 seconds. So right now we are going to say, but before that, make sure you go to the build mode. So in order to go to the build mode, you need to click on tab, and we are going to say over here, implement the plan and press enter. So it will read the plan, and depending on the plan, it will start generating files and folder for us, and then it will write the code for us. So it will take some time. So right now I will just fast forward the video until the project creation is complete. So there you can see it's done, and it only took 3 minutes, 3 seconds. So here you can see real estate folder, and it also created some images, I guess, or added some images. So let me just go to the project folder, which is this one, VS Vibe Code real estate folder. Let's go inside, and here you can see index.html. So let's just double click here, and there you can see it created a beautiful website image with the property details as well. There you can see. So yeah, this is how you can Vibe code completely for free inside VS Code. So I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.